In this video, you'll learn how 2FA1 works in shared workstation mode. For this example, we're going to be logging on with a generic account. This can be accomplished through a auto logon or entering in the user's generic credentials upon logon. Once the system's started, 2FA1 Shared Workstation is initialized. This screen here can be personalized with your organization's information and individual graphics. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to log on using a Fingerprint Biometric. This is designed for users for ease of access. The user is simply going to place their finger on the biometric reader and they'll be logged on to the local account. In this example, we've auto-launched an application that has access to PHI. We've done an auto sign-in for that user and they have access to their application. So simply by placing their fingerprint on a reader, they've gained access to the local generic account's desktop, and they've been granted access to an application that has access to PHI. You'll see in this example, we are logged on as Gen Logon. Nurse Jackie has authenticated to 2FA1 Shared Workstation, and her credentials were passed to the PHI application, and now she has access. When she closes this application, or through a set timeout, the application itself will close and Shared Workstation will once again be locked. The next user can come up and present their credential. In this case, it's going to be a Fingerprint Biometric. But for this user, they're a doctor, and the doctor requires to access the system using two-factor authentication, not just a fingerprint. So they put their fingerprint down on a FIPS 201 compliant fingerprint reader and they enter a PIN. That achieves the EAL level 3 authentication that's required for EPCS. They place enter and then they gain access to the application. Same type of convenience when the user wants to log off or through an automated timeout, the application itself will log the user off and Shared Workstation again will once be locked.